So autoimmune encephalitis is kind of in the name. Autoimmune means when your immune system attacks itself because it mistakenly thinks that cells of your own body are a foreign antigen. An antigen is something that invades the body like a virus or an infection. So autoimmune response is when your body's attacking itself because it is confused. Encephalitis is swelling of the brain tissue, which is due to the result of this autoimmune attack. Encephalitides don't have to be autoimmune. For instance, you can have viral encephalitides such as HSV encephalitis, where the herpes virus actually can invade the brain and cause the swelling. So we all know the immune system exists as our military system to protect us from antigens such as viruses and infections. These include lymphocytes and antibodies that are in the front lines and they try to fight the antigen. Every once in a while, they get confused and they think your brain is part of the antigen and start fighting it, and that's what leads to autoimmune encephalitis. Usually this happens when it's set off by an infection. So if your brain is trying to fight an infection like a virus and it's already ramped up, it accidentally sometimes starts attacking the brain. It can also be associated with a tumor. That's a whole different process. It's called paraneoplastic syndrome. And we can talk about that in different videos, but it should be given its own time because it's very different than autoimmune encephalitis, but it can cause an encephalitidae picture. The treatment of autoimmune encephalitis, because it is a ramp up of your immune system, is to suppress that immune system. So these patients end up on chronic immunosuppression. If it's tumor related, like paraneoplastic, you have to treat the underlying tumor, and that's how you treat that. Chronic immunosuppression is also used in other autoimmune conditions, for instance, rheumatoid arthritis, sarcoidosis, lupus. There's a whole vast variety of them, but that's autoimmune encephalitis in a nutshell.